Get ready to enter the world of the most modern forestry machines, where mechanical power and advanced technology create incredible feats. With the ability to harvest wood up to 60% more efficiently than traditional methods and reduce fuel consumption by 40%, these machines are truly the generals in the green forest, taking the lead in logging and conservation. Featuring a powerful crawler drive system, large circular saw blades, and impressive cutting power, the TL755D TimberPro leads the way in performance in the logging industry. The long crane arm and sturdy wooden clamps help the machine easily handle large tree trunks, allowing it to handle up to 15 trees per minute. This capability not only increases logging speed, but also enhances overall performance, making the TL755D TimberPro the top choice for operators needing maximum robustness and efficiency in harsh forest conditions. Deep. In your opinion, how does the performance of this machine compare to other brands on the market? Live you a V footage of the entire lumber sawing process we use at our Colville mill. If you want to discover more about technological advances in forestry and stay ahead of new trends, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting content. Weizen is a versatile machine, with the ability to operate flexibly on all terrains, from mangrove forests to steep hillsides. Weizen easily conquers all challenges. 360-degree wood crane, load capacity up to 12,000 kg, helps the machine harvest wood quickly and effectively. The precise control system and comfortable control cabin ensure operator safety and comfort. Weizen is not only a working tool, but also a symbol of strength and endurance. The firewood processor used at the Firewood Express firewood yard in the fall of 2020 is capable of processing large diameter hardwood logs, turning them into kiln-ready logs. The machine is equipped with a powerful cutting system that can cut wood into small pieces and has an effective wood splitting mechanism, helping to minimize waste during processing. Thanks to the automatic adjustment system, the machine ensures stable and regular quality of finished firewood products, meeting the needs of quickly providing firewood to customers. Komatsu 931 C144 is not just a machine, but also a comprehensive solution for the logging industry, equipped with a C144 cutting head with a flexible knife system to help process wood quickly and accurately. The machine is capable of cutting trees up to 71 km in diameter, with optimal cutting speed, providing high productivity. The Max6 control system helps operators easily adjust and optimize the harvesting process. The machine also has durable features, helping to operate stably in dense forests with outstanding performance and low maintenance costs. The next interesting machine is the Quick Attach Stump Bucket, designed for mini excavators, providing an effective solution for stump and rock removal. Crafted from grade 50 steel, this product stands out for its outstanding durability. The 46-inch long bucket and 1/2-inch x 9-inch blade provide increased leverage, making it easy to cut through tough tree roots. Serrated edges improve digging ability, while the replacement drill bits maintain long-lasting work performance. Specially designed bearing points help the machine operate more strongly, suitable for effective soil cleaning and forest exploitation. Watch our heavy-duty wood chipper handle large 200 tree branches gently and quickly. Assigned for heavy carpentry jobs, this machine is perfect for cleanup, firewood preparation, or storm debris disposal. In the video, you'll see how a powerful wood chipper cuts large tree branches into small pieces, getting the job done quickly and efficiently. In the world of woodworking, the LOGO SOL Big Mill is a compact yet powerful portable saw, suitable for those who need to work flexibly in tight spaces or hard-to-reach areas. However, its weakness is it is capable of cutting larger and thicker tree trunks when compared to more powerful industrial saws. However, with a weight of only 4.8 kg, Big Mill is easy to carry and can operate in many different terrain conditions, bringing flexibility and cost savings to small forestry jobs. You will be impressed when you see the Ecolog 580A in action. With powerful harvesting capabilities with a 286 horsepower Volvo Penta engine designed for harsh logging environments. The machine is equipped with a 270 lifting crane, reach up to 10 meters, ideal for steep terrain. Ecolog NextKey control system helps optimize fuel and increase working efficiency. The 350 rotating cab provides good visibility and operator comfort. Ecolog 580A is a combination of power and advanced technology, optimizing productivity in logging. The multi-purpose wood chipper is a powerful and versatile tool designed to handle a variety of woodworking tasks. It can easily chop and grind branches, logs, and other woody materials, making it ideal for gardening, waste wood processing, or firewood. Prized for its powerful performance and ability to handle large materials that other machines find difficult to process. This machine offers convenience with an easy-to-use design and durable motor. The perfect combination STIHLMS 881 and Husqvarna 3120 XP are two powerful chainsaws designed for professional logging work. STIHLMS 881 has a 121.6C engine, providing excellent cutting performance, ideal for felling large trees and clearing forests. The Husqvarna 3120 XP with 118.8CT engine is also designed for heavy tasks, such as chopping large logs and cleaning up after storm. Both machines have high durability and superior safety features, suitable for work in the forestry industry. Polaris Sportsman 570 is a powerful ATV model equipped with a 567cc engine suitable for heavy work as well as off-road trips. This model has a full-time four-wheel steering system, an EFI fuel system from Bosch, and an electric steering system for smooth control, especially when moving at slow speeds or when carrying heavy load. With brightness, with a chassis of up to 340M and a durable suspension system, the Polaris Sportsman 570 is very suitable for logging work and towing all types of wood trailers. If you have tested with this vehicle, it will certainly help you evaluate its ability. Effective working ability in logging or other heavy work. EcoLog 560DE, a product of EcoLog AB from Sweden, is an excellent logging machine with outstanding performance and flexible operation on all types of forest terrain. Equipped with a powerful 6.7 Cummins Q SB engine, providing 210 horsepower, the EcoLog 560D can reach a maximum speed of 25 km/h. A Rexroth, a 75 hydraulic pump with a capacity of 210 L/min powers the crane, allowing it to reach up to 10.7 meters. With a pulling force of up to 22 tons, this device easily overcomes rough forest terrain. The GPS navigation system helps operators easily navigate complex forest routes. Finally comes the John Deere 318G skid steer excavator, a compact and powerful device suitable for removing tree stumps, including ash stumps. With a 65 horsepower engine and powerful hydraulic system, the machine is capable of working effectively with accessories such as a stump grinder. It is especially useful when working in rough forest terrain where tree stumps are deep and hard. Are you looking for a quick way to harvest wood? The John Deere 1210G harvester is the perfect solution for you, with a powerful engine and flexible transmission system, easily overcoming difficult terrain and rough terrain. Dense forest. Equipped with a 10-meter CF7 crane, the machine can handle wood from hard-to-reach locations. With a comfortable cabin and wide visibility, operating the machine becomes easy and safe, helping to optimize the mining process, save time, and improve work efficiency in harsh environments. It was impressive to see the Tiger Cat 6050 carbonator fully loaded with the Komatsu P C240 log excavator. This process not only produces biochar, but is also really efficient when using an excavator to transfer material into the machine. What's more special? After production, biochar is transferred to the storage area thanks to a small excavator, making transportation quick and neat. Christian Supper is truly a master at his work. Whether it is huge tree trunks with a diameter of up to 60 km or delicate branches, he processes them perfectly, turning them all into beautiful scraps of wood. The machines he uses always operate stably and quickly, allowing him to complete work of up to 10 tons of wood per hour without any problems. In particular, when watching this wood chipper in action, I couldn't help but enjoy its precision and outstanding performance.